Welcome back to ZeroDiabetes Zone, your go-to channel for everything related to diabetes management and healthy living. In today's video, we're exploring an exciting and rapidly evolving topic: the latest advancements in non-drug treatments for diabetes. Whether you have type 1, type 2, or prediabetes, these new approaches offer great hope for improving blood sugar control without relying solely on medication. So let's dive in. One of the most talked about advancements in non-drug treatments for diabetes is the concept of personalized nutrition. Recent research shows that a one-size-fits-all diet doesn't work for everyone with diabetes. Instead, personalized nutrition focuses on tailoring diets based on an individual's genetic makeup, gut microbiome, and other personal factors. For example, continuous glucose monitoring (CGM) combined with AI-driven apps can now suggest which foods are best for keeping your blood sugar stable. These tools are becoming increasingly accessible, allowing people to make more informed food choices without the guesswork. Intermittent fasting and time-restricted eating have gained immense popularity, and studies show that they can benefit people with diabetes by improving insulin sensitivity. New research highlights how carefully timed eating patterns can help regulate blood sugar levels and promote weight loss, which is crucial for type 2 diabetes management. For those of you interested in trying intermittent fasting, it's important to consult with your healthcare provider first to ensure it fits your unique health needs. Exercise has always been a cornerstone in managing diabetes, but recent advancements are making physical activity more effective and personalized. Digital health platforms now offer customized exercise plans that monitor your blood sugar in real time and adjust the intensity of workouts to help maintain optimal levels. Even simple activities like walking, resistance training, or yoga can significantly improve insulin sensitivity. Pairing this with wearable tech, such as fitness trackers and glucose sensors, allows for smarter and safer exercise routines. Did you know that your gut health plays a major role in how your body processes sugar? A growing body of research is uncovering the connection between gut bacteria and blood sugar control. One exciting development is the use of probiotics and prebiotics to support a healthy gut microbiome, potentially lowering blood sugar levels naturally. In the near future, we may even see microbiome transplants as a non-drug treatment to help manage diabetes. While this technology is still in its early stages, it holds promise for personalized treatment plans. Stress is a major factor that can spike blood sugar levels, but modern stress management techniques are becoming more integrated into diabetes care. Practices like mindfulness meditation, yoga, and breathing exercises have been shown to lower cortisol levels and improve blood sugar regulation. Apps and online platforms that guide you through meditation and stress relief exercises are gaining traction, making it easier than ever to incorporate these into your daily routine. Final thoughts. So, there you have it, the latest non-drug treatments for diabetes, all showing tremendous promise. From personalized nutrition and fasting to microbiome therapies and stress management, these advancements are opening up new avenues for those looking to manage their diabetes more naturally. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the ZeroDiabetes Zone for more updates on living your best life with diabetes. Let me know in the comments if you've tried any of these treatments, or if there's something new you'd like to learn about.